on how to use a new quoting system for channel partners at Nexogy. Once you log in as a channel partner, you land on a home page like this one. You click on the quoting section on the left-hand side menu to get to the quoting part, where you will find the existing quotes that you have out there and their status. To create a new one, just click on the New and the Quoting V2 version to get started. The first information you're going to need is the email, which is a unique identifier for all quotes. So I'll just use something like testemail@testcompany.com. In this case, the customer exists and the information is right there. Let's say we use a test email 5, which is a new one. I have to create a new company. For this company 5, the quote name could be location 1, and then the contact information for this company. I have to select a term between a month to month and 60 months. The price will be lower as the term is higher, so let's go for 48 months and get started. We need confirmation on the email again, as this is very important information to identify this account. Once you're here, start adding the products that you would like to add to this quote. I'm going to add 10 advanced PBX users. So you can see as I type, the filter will show the products that match whatever I typed. So I click on the Advanced PBX User Unlimited. I just add the number, which I can raise or lower here, or just type them in and add it. USDID will come by default for free for the customer. So I have my 10 advanced PBX users here. I would also like to add a fax line, which is the Nexogy fax. I'll add one of them. And automatically the ATA will show up and the shipping. In this case, I need to select if the ATA is going to be purchased or leased. I'll choose the lease option for this example. I would also like to add some devices. I'm going to choose the Yealink T54, which could be purchased or leased through a third-party company or rented with a residual commission for you, the partner. In this case, I'm going to use a rental option for all 10 users. Added. As another bundle, the power supply will be added. The shipping will be added as well. It is asking me if it is going to be leased or rented. In this case, as I choose a rental, only the lease option is available. And I'm going to add the Office Line app as well for all 10 users in this case, which is free. So as you can see, it is added with a $0 cost. Once I have all my products here, I simply click on Next and Confirm. So on the next page, we're going to see a summary of the products that we added. The first part is the MRC, or the monthly recurring charges. All the products that are going to have a monthly recurring charge and the total that this customer is going to pay on a monthly basis. The second section are the upfront charges. So if there's any upfront charges, they will show up here. In this case, the products will not have upfront charges, but we do have some shipping charges to take care of, and the total of those. And then on the last total is just adding whatever's on the upfront plus the MRC. Once we're ready with this quote, you can either send it by clicking this button, and you can add whatever message you would like the customer to see here, besides what is already pre-written, and just send the quote if you want to copy somebody else. Let's say you want to add another person from the company. Test email 6@testcompany.com. They will get a copy of this quote as well, and just send the quote. Another option is to simply download the quote to your computer and then send it from your regular email to your client as an attachment. Let's say you need to change something because the customer doesn't want 10 T54s. It's 9 T54s plus a conference phone. Very simple. Just go back to the Product tab. Go to the T54s, remove the 10, and add 9, and then let's add the conference device, which in this case, I'm going to choose a CP920 as a rental. The same options are available. I'm going to choose a rental, one of them, and just add it to the quote. It is right here with the shipping. I just need to confirm the lease option and click on Next to save it and go back to the summary page. As you can see, everything is as we want it to be. The 9 devices plus 1 conference phone, their respective power supply for the conference phone, and everything else that we wanted to have here on this quote. When ready to send the quote, simply do as explained before. When the customer is ready for an agreement, just click on the Agreement tab right here. Fill out the information requested, and then send the agreement for digital signature. That's it. Very simple and very straightforward. Thank you.